Hello, my love. This week we are going to try something different. I've been getting so many questions about how you can use Manychat for your business and how to set up your first automation. So this video is going to be a step-by-step walkthrough of how I use it for mine and the best way for you to get started. So if you look at my Instagram here, I have what I recommend to all of you, which is to have a DM automation in your bio. I have landing pages in my link in bio, like you can see here. I also have ways that you can opt in to my email list via Facebook ads and content. But if you're not running ads, if you're not consistently creating content to get people to opt into your email list, this is by far the easiest way for you to get people signed up to your email list because you will get people DMing you for something that they want. And so, how this works is I have this keyword connected to Manychat. And Manychat, this is the pricing: free, essential, pro, business, and advanced. Most people will just need essential or pro. If you pay annually, you get a bit of a discount, but I just get the monthly one. Keep in mind that even if you do have 2,500 active contacts per month, you can always delete your contacts if the automation finishes, like if they opt into your email list. After a while, you can delete them off of ManyChat, and that way you don't hit that contact limit. This is what it looks like when you set up an automation in ManyChat. And as you can see, I have quite a few. Today, we are going to walk through how to set up an automation so that when people DM you or comment your keyword, they automatically get sent to a landing page. And the landing page we are going to use for this example is my 100K game plan. So if you comment 100K, you will get sent the link to opt in to my sequence. And this is something that I've already set up in ActiveCampaign. We use and recommend ActiveCampaign for our CRM. So if you don't have one already, I will include the link to Manychat and to ActiveCampaign in the description. So if you have all of those pieces set up, you have your Instagram page, you have a landing page that connects to your email list, all you have to do is create an automation under automations in Manychat. And we're just going to start from scratch. And we can start from a blank canvas. I will name this example, and then you can name it keyword like 100K. So, new trigger, and we want to, when user sends a message, to text specific words, and we can say 100K. I will add some variations in case there's like a space. These are not case sensitive. So hello with a capital H and hello are recognized as the same. We create it here. We can also add a new trigger when user comments on your post or reel, and you can say all posts are real or like a specific one if you want. And same thing, 100K or 100K. You can customize these, but for the sake of this example, let's just say this. And then this is also going to be a keyword 100K. And then we can have one more replies to your story. Keyword 100K. And then contains specific words 100K, 100K. Cool. So when you have these three triggers set up, you can do this for any keyword. Then we want to take an action. We want to first add a tag. So when you have lots of automations, you want to know who came from which one. So I will usually tag it with button pressed 100K. And next step, we are going to, on Instagram, send a message. So send, I usually send as a private reply. So excited for you to read this. Here is the link to download your 100K game plan. And then with an emoji, let's do the rocket emoji and copy in this link. Open website. Click here. Done. And now, anytime someone sends you a message, comments on your post or reel, or replies to your story with the keyword 100K, they will get tagged in Manychat with button pressed 100K, and they will get sent the link to opt in to your email list. Some caveats. I know that there is a way, and I have an automation where you can send them the link and collect their emails and names in this chat directly. It is a much longer process. And in the end, I personally think it is just so much easier and so much better to have separate landing pages for each opt in. This way, you can just edit this landing page however you want, and any opt-in method. So whether you're running ads, whether you're doing Manychat, like it's just going to lead it all here. It's just so much easier to manage in the long run. And especially if you're just getting started, this is more than enough. So again, after you have this set up, make sure you write DM the keyword for your free opt-in, and then people will be added to your list instantly. This works especially well if you're just getting started, because the more people that reach your account, sometimes they're not going to, watch your content, but they will always read this. So if you have this set up, it's just going to grow your email list on autopilot. I hope this was helpful. If you enjoy videos like these, please let me know. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Don't forget to subscribe. We have new videos every Monday.